The crypto market might be preparing to do something crazy, and I'm on about bullish activity. We're seeing something great here. We're seeing the markets return to a really nice global market cap of 3.62 trillion, guys. We are getting close to breaking the previous local high when it felt very euphoric. We've come back down. We've consolidated. We've let all the emotions settle. We've let that euphoric dust settle, and now we are preparing for that next leg up, hopefully. If you're looking to make more money as well during this bull market cycle, check out the Patreon down below. Space is very limited, but if you really are serious about your crypto growth, then do check it out. And thank you to all the new supporters. Now let's jump into it, boys and girls. We've got coin number one is HBAR. The utility here, the fundamental value is just unmatched, unrivaled. Real world asset tokenization for digitalization, real estate and more. You can see here, just looking at the average cost per transaction, the seconds to finality, the average kilowatts per transaction. You've just got the whole lot. You've got green, you've got scalability, speed, you've got everything here. So it's basically RWA for real world assets, right? So it's absolutely insane. This is $14.25 billion on a market cap at the moment here, guys. And yes, it has pumped quite a lot. It's actually in an all-time high right now, HBAR, but I still think it's one that can continue in terms of its market capital growth throughout the rest of this bull run. We're looking at maybe between 20 to 30 billion dollars, more of a safer play. But of course, in the bear market, coins like this, the lower cap coins, will be coming back down in price eventually. And effectively, if more tokens get push into circulation, it will also push the price down a bit in the future. So HBAR is going to be on the list for sure. I think overall it's an exciting one, and cryptos in general, they're going to be moving up, I think, in the next sort of Q1. We've got the inauguration soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that in 3 days, and then, hopefully it's going to lift up the sentiment of the entire blockchain space. If you guys are also looking to obtain more cryptos, you can use Bitunics. Got it linked down below for you lovely people. Copy trading here. You've got staking, on-ramp, off-ramp fiat, no KYC, and global access. You've got tons and tons of different pairs that you can trade here on leverage, on the derivative side, or the spot side. Check out Bitunics down below. You might enjoy it. And maybe you're a bit bored of your exchange and you could enjoy some sign-up bonuses using the link down below. Coin number two, SPX 6900. Effectively, this is categorically a meme coin. Now, why do I think this coin is so special? Well, if you think about it, S&P 500 is what they're mimicking, what they're kind of mocking here. They're creating the S&P 6900. This attracts a lot of legacy investors from the S&P 500 who are probably quite, wealthy. They've got a lot of liquidity, and maybe they're looking to enter the crypto space. And I think it attracts a lot of people from the legacy markets as well. But its own initiative here is really, really cool. Like the NASDAQ, like the S&P 500 and all these other different stocks here. S&P or SPX 6900 is its very own thing, sitting at $1.38 billion market cap. Now, on the day it's pumped exponentially, it's actually sitting at an all-time high, pretty much. It did hit an all-time high earlier this month, but when you look at the market cap, it's so close to teasing that all-time high again. And I do potentially think we could see SPX 6900 get closer to $2 to $3 to $4 billion at some point this particular bull market cycle. You can see it was only around the start of January where this coin went parabolic. It then had a correction, and it's had the biggest daily green candle of its entire cycle existence so far. So a lot of bullish continuation. I would not ape into this. I would not chase the green candles, but I might be looking out personally for a new layer of support. You can see it just got rejected at diagonal resistance. If you look at this impulse wave here, folks, the corrective phase suggests about $1.30, $1.23 for that dollar cost averaging, and it could potentially be a good coin to follow on, to keep your eyes on. SPX 6900, of course, you can buy it using different exchanges. I've got a link down below if you want to look at the coin. But I do think this one is also poised for that 3 to 10x potential at some point during this particular bull run. So for sure, very, very exciting. Moving into the next token is Wall Street PEPE. They just hit $50.7 million raised. One WEPE is $0.0003669. It's an ERC20 meme coin here, folks. So of course, high risk, high reward plays. If you like meme coins, this could be a good one to potentially diversify into. Now, 29 days until they sell out. So you're looking at a mid-February launch. We can see that now. It takes the holder through 4 very exciting journeys where we could see right here You got these different chapters here, 200 billion total max supply. At the same time, it's an ERC20 token. And effectively what you do is you buy it using a hot wallet like a DeFi wallet, such as MetaMask. And then once you've obtained your coins, all you have got to do is convert either Ethereum or Tether into your WebPay coins, wait for the token generation event, then claim the tokens ready to be sold or transferred or held or whatever you want to do with them on exchanges and stuff. So yeah, definitely looking hot. They're getting a lot of traction here on Twitter, 35,000 followers, and yeah, a big $50 million raise there guys. That is absolutely insane. I don't know if you just saw that. Yeah, $50 million raised. WebPay is ready for the moon. So definitely having a fun time on Twitter. You can see they're getting a lot of engagements and bullish reactions there. The link is down below for Wall Street Pepe if you'd like to look at that one. Now, next is going to be JASM coin. The reason is, it kind of follows the path of Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin is on the up, the heavy rise, we usually see this coin do well. JASM is effectively Japan's Bitcoin, if you did not know already. The official account of JASM Telegram. So JASM MGT right here. So yeah, when you look at the website, a lot of it is in, I believe, Japanese, but this is literally like Japan's Bitcoin. That's how it's compared. So it's one that's worth looking at, doing a bit of research on. It's quite a large cap already, 1.68 billion. So there's a lot of conviction there. Big market accessibility. It's on Coinbase. It's on Binance. So it's not some sort of trash coin. So it is a docs sort of audited KYC project. You can see on the 7 days here, it's up 7%. On the 1 month, it's actually down still. So I do think we can see more continuation here. You've got a lot of the overall max supply circulating, which means you're not going to get a lot of inflation or token dilution here as well. And it could be another good one to hold here, folks. If we look at the market capital, all-time high, it did recently hit 2.5 billion. It's now 1.68 billion. And if we are going to get this next surge in crypto to the next floor, being 4 trillion plus, then we might see many of our favorite altcoins start to rise in terms of their price, which is super exciting for anyone in this space right now. So for sure, check out JASM. They've got tons of different partnerships, running nodes. They're doing loads of AMAs. They're in that sort of AI and DePIN mix as well. So yeah, definitely a lot of big eyes on the JASM ecosystem. Lastly, we've got it. It's been boring. It might still be boring. And it might be a disappointment to some. But Ethereum is going to be on this list. Ethereum is the OG, ERC20. It's got over $70 billion of TVL, utility everywhere, left, right, and center. And at the end of the day, it's following plan, guys. It's following the plan. It's gonna get there, in my opinion. It's got to get to $5,000+. It's got to destroy that last market cycle top, which was $4,500. If it does an all-time high, it's a failure to the entire world. And I really think we will see at some point an all-time high or more for Ethereum. If it follows history, we should see it. Look, Q1 of 2024 was good. Q1 of 2023 was good. 2021 bull market, Q1 was very, very good. So I really expect to see a good January, February, and March here for Ethereum as well. So ETH, keep it on your radar. Whilst it may not 10x, it could still be one that has a decent move to the upside at some point. So it's worth definitely, considering and factoring in that historical data and the fact that Q1 is usually Ethereum's particular quarter of the year. Yeah, guys, you can also use exchanges to grab some Ethereum down below. So just to wrap up this video, we had coin number 1 as HBAR Hedera. We had coin number 2 as SPX 6900. Coin number 3 as Wall Street Pepe. Coin number 4 as JASM coin. And coin number 5 as Ethereum. So I think there's 5 potential coins that could do quite well. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do also get yourselves into the Patreon, which is linked down below for you should you wish to maximize this bull run. Unlock tons of signals like the ones you can see on screen where you can make some really big crypto gains like the group here is in Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is my Discord. So for sure, we're doing our best to provide the best insights, the best community, the best value for you people so you can hopefully make more time, location, and financial freedom. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you again soon. Peace.